You know you need video to support your consulting business, but where do you start? What gear do you need? Do you have a plan or strategy to actually use video to grow your business? And even if you do, are you prepared to get in front of the camera? If you want to grow your business with video, you'll need these three crucial things: the right gear, the right support, and the right plan. Without these, it's extremely difficult to scale your business. Hi, I'm Neil Carroll, and I help consultants and solopreneurs stop fearing the camera, create engaging, effective videos, and attract clients that are way out of your league. We achieve this through the vidwheel Creator Network, a community of like-minded, supportive peers. And we even include the gear, a tried and true home video system in a box. No guesswork and no bins full of equipment that you bought but don't need. I've had my own struggles using video to grow my business. I know how hard it can be, and that's why I created the vidwheel Creator Network, to help consultants like myself take their businesses to the next level. Check out vidwheel.com to learn more.